Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. To get started, I just added an audio to my timeline that I would like to make sound like a phone call. Hey, how are you doing? How is it going? Hey, how are you doing? How is it going? Let's begin by going into the effects panel and then under the search bar, let's search for high pass. Now select this high pass and drag it onto your audio clip over here. Next, move over to your effects control and under the cutoff over here, you can set your high pass anywhere between 400 to 1000. I'm going to set mine at 700. Okay, and when I play this back, my audio sounds like I'm on a phone call. Hey, how are you doing? How is it going? Hey, how are you doing? How is it going? And that's it guys on how to create this phone call voice effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you guys in my next video tomorrow.